This is LeetCode question number 283. Move zeros. This is easy question. Oh, it has a lot of recommendation. Okay, let's get into it. Given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. Okay, let's check with example. Input is 1, 0, 1, 3, 12. So 1 going back, and then this one also going back. So output is 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. How we can solve it? Maybe we can use sorting algorithm. After sorting is 1, 1, 1, 3, 12. At that time, 1 is the going back. This one, 1, 3, 12, right? Yeah. This time complexity is n log n because we use sorting, and then quicksort take n log n time complexity. Can you make it better? Sure. If we use two-pointer technique, time complexity is up to linear time. Okay, I will show you. Left is must be 0, right is also start with 0, and then this time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then left is here, and right is also here, and I will iterate right, and then if right is not 0, nums right index is not 0, I will change left with right. So this time is right is 0, not 0, so it skip. And then this one is not 0, I will swap this one with this one. So 1, 0. After that, I will increase left index. And then move right, this one 0, skip. And this time I will 3, 0. And then next, last 12, 0, and exit. So final value is 132, 0, 0. See. Okay, let's implement. Left is 0, right is 0. All right, I will start iteration for right in range length nums. If nums right is not 0, I will change nums left with nums right. Increase left plus 1. Okay, finish. Let's check. Okay, looks good. Submit. Okay, let's check complexity. Time complexity, there are one iteration, linear time, and then no extra data, no extra memory, so constant space. Thank you.